All right, in this work example, we've got this road worker who gets paid a certain amount of dollars per hour for his normal work. But when it's wet, he actually gets paid an allowance of $86, that'll be all right, 86 cents per hour extra. Okay? So Ryan's a road worker and he's paid $9.45 per hour. Okay? So start underlining the stuff you need. $9.45 per hour, 35-hour week. Now this is the important bit for this particular question. He's got a wet weather allowance of 86 cents per hour. So what we need to do is calculate Ryan's pay if for 12 hours of the week he works in the rain. So the first thing you have to do is work out what his normal base rate of pay would be.
So when you do first 12
Well, we're going to do, let's do his normal base pay at the start. So that's $9.45, and how many hours a week does he work? 35. What's he get?
$330.75.
Okay. Now when you're doing these sort of things, so I've just written it down, but what you can actually do is let's call it BP. Why would I call it BP?
Because it might spill into the ocean.
No, we're not talking the Exxon Valdez.
Hey.
BP. Base pay.
I was going to say before 8. And then you minus 30.
Well, now we've got 12 hours that it rained. So let's call that A. Why A? You could call it W for wet weather, but I'm just calling it A for allowance.
What is BP?
Base pay. So I now know that's what he should get paid. If it was dry all week, that's what he'll get paid. That's his base pay. Cool? And you can just call it B or anything like that. I'll just call it BP. All right, now I've called this allowance. Now how do I work this out? How much does he get for his allowance?
Times 86 cents by
Well,
35.
because we've worked in dollars here, let's keep working in dollars. 0.86 times how many hours?
35.
No, how many hours were wet?
Oh,
12. Okay, that was awesome. I did that without looking really poorly. Okay. Okay, so what do we get when we do that? 0.86 times 12 will give me 10.32. Okay, so that's how much he gets as an allowance. Now, Imogen, you were about to ask, could you just minus, what did you want to minus? Okay, if you took 12 hours off that, okay, what we've done is we've worked out the base pay. We've worked out what his allowances are. Now, how do I work out what his total pay is? Okay, so I'm going to say that's base pay plus allowances. See how I keep trying to make these formulas? Just so it makes my life easier and I know exactly what I'm doing at any given moment. So that means his total equals 330. Well, I got kids. I get distracted. Plus 1032. And that's going to give us a grand total of 341 and 7 cents. Oh, just in case you were wondering, notice how I haven't used the dollar sign until the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't stress me. If you don't use the dollar sign until the end, that's fine, as long as you use the dollar sign at the end. Because you've got to know that you're using dollars. Okay? It's like using measurements, you've got to know you're using the correct unit. I had a wasp flying around me. Alright, everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
Work out your base pay, work out your allowances, add the two together. Awesome.
So close to